In the last episode, we turned a fictional brief for St Mary the Virgin Church into a story, a production script, a storyboard, a shot list, and a practical plan. The aim is not simply to collect beautiful pictures, it's to capture the specific material we need to tell standing through time, safely, efficiently, and with enough choices for the edit.
Today, we take that plan to the location and find out what survives first contact with the real world.
Before I unpack the drone, I'll walk the location again. A plan made at the desk is useful, but today's people, weather, light and access conditions are the reality we have to work with.
I check that the takeoff area is still suitable, look for people, vehicles, animals, overhead hazards and any activity around the church that could affect the operation. I confirm the airspace and weather information is current, assess the wind where I intend to fly, and make sure every permission and operational requirements relevant to this location is in place. If the
conditions do not support the planned shot, the shot changes. The story matters, but it never outranks a safe decision.
Creatively, I also look at what the research could not tell me, where the light is falling, which backgrounds are clean, how busy the paths are, and whether the planned viewpoints actually tell the story.
The opening has one clear job. Let the audience discover St Mary's in its setting. I need a wide shot with enough context to make the church feel rooted in the village, not isolated from it.
I begin by checking the frame from the ground. Where will the church enter the composition? What foreground can create depth? And does the movement reveal information rather than just simply showing that the drone can move? The storyboard suggested a wide reveal, but the exact route depends on today's light, wind, obstacles and permitted operating area. I adjust the start point while keeping the same narrative intention. Before recording, I set exposure, white balance, frame rate and shutter speed and set focus to auto. Then I rehearse the move. A rehearsal reveals framing problems and control inputs before they become a wasted take. On the recorded pass, I leave a couple of seconds of stillness at the beginning and end. Those handles help at the editing stage to choose the exact moment the shot starts and finishes.
I review the take immediately for exposure, focus, smoothness and unwanted objects. If the shot does not do its job, I repeat it now, not when I'm back in the edited suite.
The middle of the film moves us closer. A slow push or partial orbit can connect the wide setting to the tower and stonework, but the movement must remain controlled and readable. I capture variations in scale. A wide view for geography, medium views for architecture, and tighter details for texture. Together, they let the edit move from place to evidence of time.
I'm not trying to cover every possible angle. I'm protecting the beginning, middle and end of the story, then adding enough coverage to join those beats cleanly. Not every shot improves when the camera is in the air. The drone is strongest when height, movement or scale reveals something the ground camera cannot.
For the lich gate, pathway, doorway, inscriptions and stone textures, a ground camera or gimbal may give me more control, more intimacy and a safer way to work close to the subject. I keep the visual language consistent, slow movement, clean compositions, steady exposure and enough screen direction for one shot to flow into the next. The audience should feel one journey through the place. They should not be thinking about which camera made each shot.
A filming plan is a decision-making tool, not a set of handcuffs. If a viewpoint is blocked, the light has moved, or the wind makes the route unsuitable, I return to the purpose of the shot.
Before leaving, I work through the shot list against the story, establishing reveal, approach, architectural details, traces of time, village context, and a final pull away. I check the files, not just the ticks. If time and conditions allow, I record one useful alternative for the most important moments, a different duration, framing or movement, so the edit has a choice without filling cards with repetition.
The plan did not predict every shot, condition or every frame. What it gave me was a clear story, a set of priorities and a way to decide what to change without losing the film.
We now have the material for standing through time. In the next episode, we'll bring it into the edit, test it against the script, and find out whether the pictures actually tell the story we planned.